Hello guys, today we're gonna tackle the Dimplex dehumidifier water leaking issue. And we're gonna sort this problem cheap and very easy. Let's go. Some of you told me that you started to have issues with the dehumidifier and that is leaking water, especially on the corners. And to be honest, I didn't know how to tell you to sort out the problem because I didn't encounter it. And I've searched a bit online, but I couldn't find nothing. But guess what? Now this bad boy has the same issues. My first thought was maybe the water container has any cracks, but after I checked it really closely, I realized that's not the problem. After that, I started to look on Google, YouTube, different forums about this issue, but nobody wrote nothing, so I thought, why not? Let me tackle this problem by myself, and if I succeed, I'm gonna let you know how to sort the issue. At the end of the day, it's just electronic. I'm not gonna mess it up, especially with what I'm gonna show you. P.S. Before we start, my name is Tiberiu, aka Tibbs, and if you find this video helpful, I would really appreciate if you subscribe and click the like button. But before we start, I'm gonna show you what we need. I just received this parcel a couple of hours ago, and inside is the key for solving our issues. It's not doing how I wanted. Come on! God damn it. Okay, I've succeeded. As you can see, we have 2 cans of air duster cleaner that I bought from Amazon. It's not mandatory to buy the same brand. These were on offer, I'm gonna be honest with you. I paid like £11 for both. And they were next day delivery. So let's open them. Look. These are the ones. Again, you don't need to buy the same brand. Whatever. It's air in a can under pressure. Nothing fancy. There's a can. As you can see, it has a small straw. And yeah. Has a small straw that we're gonna insert here and done. Before we use this one, what we need to do, we take out the air filter like this. This bad boy, we just wash it with hot water and dish soap, nothing fancy. The next step is to take the dehumidifier in an open space or somewhere that will not gonna bother you making a bit of dust or a bit more. Probably you're gonna ask why. I'm gonna show you. This radiator is full of dust, and to be frank with you, I've already cleaned it once with a vacuum cleaner. But the vacuum cleaner couldn't do a really good job because of the plastic mesh that's in the middle. So you have 2 options. One, you buy one like this, or maybe 2. Second, you can cut this plastic mesh. I don't recommend, but you can do that and proper vacuum clean it inside, and after just put back the filter and the other plastic mesh. Before we start, I need to take this one out because otherwise wifey is gonna go crazy with all the dust in the house. I recommend to start with the lower part, the part under the radiator, as the dehumidifier has some drainage points there. It has one pipe on the left and one pipe on the right. Cleaning this area, we're gonna allow the water to go exactly on the overfill pipes, so you're not gonna have issues with the water running everywhere. After, I recommend to take your time and try to clean as good as possible all the radiator. To be honest, all this process took me around 10 to 15 minutes and I used 1.5 cans. Don't forget to clean the pipe that carries the water in the container, as probably you're gonna have some dust or quite a lot of dust as myself. Clean the top part of the dehumidifier, as probably it has a lot of dust as well. After I finish this process, I've used again the vacuum cleaner in the hope that I'm gonna take 90% of the dust out, or as much as I could. After, just leave it like 20 minutes to dry, and what I would recommend, go with the vacuum cleaner one more time. Finally, when the filter is dry, just put it back on the dehumidifier. And that was the story. A very easy, cheap fix. All this happens because the radiator gets clogged in dust and the water instead of going through this small pipe under and go in the container, builds up and leaks under the machine. Simple fix with 10 pounds and a vacuum cleaner. Quick update, it passed 6 days since I've cleaned the dehumidifier and I had zero problems with it. No more leaking issues. The solution to repair it was some dust cleaner and a good vacuum clean, and that's it. Guys, what can I say? I hope you found this video helpful, and again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Stay safe.